Hey guys, just a quick carpentry tip. When you're trying to do small returns, I just literally mitre bond them together, and you'll see what I mean by a small return when you're doing quadrant. Instead of trying to hold the small bit in the saw, I just literally mitre bond it together on a 90. As if my mitre bond's going to work now for this video. No, it's not. Come on, mitre bond. Does prove that I am human, guys. So I mitre bond my return. God, I've really lost all my strength in my arms since having sarcoidosis. I had to get down the gym. Just holding things like that and I'm shaking like fuck. Right, so I do that. So I do my 90 like that. And instead of trying to hold on to that small bit on the saw, I come to the saw and then I cut off the full piece. I start at the top. And now I've got my stop end return. Can you see that? See that okay, guys? And I've not lost any fingers. And then it goes and lives in here like that. You see that? You see that? Maybe you can see that. I might spin the camera around. So there you go. So I've done a stop end return. So I do that on nearly all my quadrant floors, on all my skirting, but I always mitre bond the end piece so you don't lose your fingers. I call it a stop end return. So the quadrant goes round into the skirting. We call that a stop end return, or you know, an angle, mitre, whatever you guys say in America. But that's how I do it. I glue it together so I don't lose my fingers. Remember, the slower you go, faster you go.